Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will discuss about the strings. So strings are most important topic in the Python because if you are creating any application or creating any automation script or for any data analysis work, in every field you need to handle the string. You will come across the strings. So we need to understand what are the strings and how we can do the operation in the strings. So what are the string? String are sequence of characters. For example, in hello, there is a sequence of character which will make a string. So if any name, any sentence, everything is string. So how to use the string? So let's learn about it. Today we will learn about how to use the string and string operations and string functions which we use in Python. So let's get started. So first, let's understand how to use the string. First, let's see how to create a string. So this is very simple. You can create a string like s is equal to, and you can take any name. So like if I take hello, and so it is the string. So you can have it in double quotes or print it. String should be in a double quotes or a single quotes. Both are fine. So let's print it and now run it. See, hello, this is the string. You can also use a single quotes as well. It will also work. See, this is also working. So what is the difference? Why we use double quotes and single quotes? Like if you are creating some string like this, it it's it's a animal. So what is happening that it is not able to differentiate and we are getting the error because we have the single quote within the string. So for that purpose, we can use the double string so that it can differentiate between what is the end of a string and what is within the string. Now let's see, it's an animal. Now it is able to print it. And if we are using the single quotes here, so it will not able to differentiate and we will get the error. Undetermined string literals. So it is not able to determine that where is the end of the string. So to differentiate that, we can use the double quotes. And also if you have the multi-line code, so you can use triple times quotes. You can add code triple times and then you can add multi-line uh, string. Like if you are creating some blocks or any data, any paragraph, so here you need to enter a string of multiple lines. So for that purpose, you can write it like this, hello, and then now run it. See, it is printing in multiple lines. And it will work with the both say double quotes or single quotes. You can also use single quotes three times. This will also work and run it. See, this is also working. So this is how you can create the string and you can print the string. So next is concatenation. So concatenation is joining the string. If you join two strings, so how we can do that? Let's see. So suppose you have one string hello and second string Rahul, and you want to join. You want to concatenate these two strings. So how can you do that? You can do print s1. You can use the plus operator for concatenation. We use the plus operator, and then you can add double quotes with a space plus S2. Now run it. So hello Rahul. And if you are not adding anything and do like this, then there will be no space. So to add the space, you can do the same concatenation operation. You can add the plus operator and then you can add the space and then you can run it. So this is string concatenation. So in same way, you can add more string as well. Like you want more string. Suppose I want to add a comma this. Now run it. Invalid syntax, perhaps you forgot a comma. Okay, yeah, here also you need to add plus operator. Okay, and then run it. Hey, hello Rahul. So plus operator is used for concatenation. You can add two string using the plus operator. Next is repetition. If you want to repeat a few some word or sentence, so you can use the star operator in the string. Like suppose you want to print hello two, three times. So you can write like this print hello. And then you can use star operator star three and run it. See, it is printing three times. You can add space as well. Now, hello, hello, hello. And if you want to print five times, so you can mention five. So you can add the number of times using the star operator. You can repeat the same string multiple times. Next is indexing. So, so in the string, you can get the character as per the index of the character. So everything in a string has an index number. Suppose this is hello. So this in this hello, so it will start with the zero. So H will have zero index number, then one, two, three, four. So this is these are the index numbers. So each and every character in a string is having a index number. So suppose you have this string and you want to see what is the index number, what is the character in particular index number. So you can print and suppose you want to see what is the index number of what is the character in particular index number. So suppose I want to see 0, so it will start with 0. Now, okay, you need to use a double quotes or single quotes because it is a string and run it h. So at the 0 index number, we have the h. In the same way, you can print for other s1 e. In same way, you can see for all the indexes like 3. So we have till 4, right? So yeah, 4. So we will get the O. And suppose if we mention 5, so what will happen? We have the character till 5 index and we have mentioned 5 index number. So we will get an error because we don't have any character at index number 5. So we are getting string index out of range. So this is the indexing. And also you can do the reverse indexing. This is the positive indexing where we are going from left to right, and you can also do the negative indexing. So suppose you want to see what is the last character in the string, so you can write -1. So this is negative indexing. And now let's run it. So O. So last character is O. In same way, you can see the second last. It will be 2. So it will start from right. So the last one will be -1, then -2, -3, -4, -5. Let me see like right -5. So what you will get? H. You are getting the first character. And if you will do -6, then again you will get the error index out of range. So this is how you can do the positive indexing and the negative indexing in the string. So if someone asks you to tell what is the last character in the string, so you can do the negative indexing and you can get the output very easily. You don't need to find the length of the string. With the negative indexing, you can easily find the last character from the string. Next is the slicing. This is the most important thing. What how we slice through this slicing, we can extract the substring. Suppose you have the string hello world, okay, and you just want to have only hello from this string. So you can use the slicing in this case. St, and here you need to define 0 means start index, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 till 4 index you need. But if you will do the 4, so what you will get? Let's see. So we are getting hell. O is missing. So what you need to do? You need to take 1 plus. Till 5 you need to take. And then you can run. Then you are getting all the hello. In same way, if you want to fetch world, so world. So you can take it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From 6, 7, 8, 9, and then plus 1, 10. Let's see. Word. So you need to take plus 1 uh, of last index number of your word. And suppose you want to print all the string, so using the slicing, you can just mention like this and then you run it. So it will print the complete string. Here also you can do the reverse indexing. So you can start from -1 and then -4. Let's see what it gives. You need to mention the steps as well. So you are getting the word. Okay. So this is reverse indexing. And also if you want to reverse some string, so what you can do, you can just do like this. If you have to reverse these strings, so you can just do colon colon and then -1. So it will reverse your string. So it has reversed your string. So if someone asks you to reverse any string, so you can use this method colon colon -1. So let's see how to calculate the length. So for checking the length of a string, there is a function len function which you can use. So len of hello 5. So you can find out the length of any string using the length function. Next is the membership, means if the particular character word exists in a string. Suppose you have a string, let's see, L in hello. Let's see what it prints. True, because we have L in this string, so that's why we are getting the true. And if we mention S, so do we have S? So we should get false, right? Yeah, so we are getting the false. So it is this membership function in or not in used to check the membership. And if I do not in, so we should get true. Yeah. And suppose here I am doing hello world and here I am giving hello. Let's see. False and in true. So any character or any string you can check if that is part of particular string or not using the membership function. Next is the true. Next is iteration. You can also iterate in the to the string. So you can use for I in hello print I. Now run it. So hello. So you can iterate over the string. If you have any string, you can iterate over using the for loop. Hello world. So this is how you can iterate. So strings, the important thing is the string is immutable. So you cannot change the string directly. If you will do the changes in the string, it will create a new string, but the same string will not change. Suppose if you want to add some character in the string, suppose you have this hello string, and if you want to add some character, so it will not work. Suppose you are doing st 0 is equal to, at the place of h, if we try to enter b, so we should get the error. See, str object does not support item assignment because this is immutable object. You cannot change this string. This is immutable. Immutable means you cannot change the string. And if you will change the string, you need to create a new string if you want to do any changes. So you cannot edit or delete or modify the string. What are the string methods? So there are various methods. Like if you want to find uh, particular character is there and what is the index number of particular character. Suppose this is hello. We have this string hello, and I'm doing dot find. I want to find h e run. So this is giving the index number of the character. In same way, I can do L. So it will give the index number. In same way, we can use the index function. This will also give the same result. So these are used to find the particular character in the string. Hello, Ram, index of Ram 6. And next is the count function will count the number of occurrence of particular index. So here if I print A, I want to see how many times A occurred in particular string. Count function we can use, count, and then run it one time. L, so L is coming two times. So you can count the number of occurrence of particular character in a string using the count function. You can also, like you have the string Ram, hey, hi, hi, and then I want to count number of count high in particular string. Now let's run it two times. Okay. Now let me write one more time. Then run it three times. So you can count any string or any character using the count function. So next is replace and join. You can replace particular string s. I want to replace hello dot replace h, replace h with B. Run it. So it has replaced. So you will think how it got replaced, but it has created new string. When we did this, so it has created a new string. If we check the ID, so it will be different. ID, this is the ID. Suppose this is S. S is my string and S is equal to hello. You will see ID is different because this string is immutable. ID of S. So ID of both should be different. 48. So here this ID is 848 and if we print the ID of this 84. So you can see the both IDs are different because string is immutable. It is creating the new string when we are doing any operation in the string. And join, you can also join the string. Suppose you want to join this string as you can join with any, suppose I want to join it with comma dot s dot join s hello. So it has joined the string with the comma. You can also replace it with any other thing. Hyphen, I have hyphen dot join and giving the string, then hello. So in this way, you can join the string as per your requirement. Next is split. You can also split the string. It will create a list. Suppose this is my string hello and I am doing split. You need to define how do you want to split. Hello word. So we can split it and it will create, it has created a list. And if you want to join it again, so same, you can use the join function. Join dot join. You can save it in a list and then you can pass a list. So this will join this and so it has joined it. So this is how you can split the string and then you can join it. Then start and end checks. If you want to check if the particular string starts with particular character, so you can use this start and check. Suppose you have the string st, this is Python class, and now you can use the function st dot start with this. It will give true false true, and if I remove then false. And in same way you can use the ends with function. So starts with, ends with, ends with false, And if I mention class, true. So these are all important functions which we use in Python in our day-to-day life. There are many more functions in Python which we can learn from Google or any other place. But these are important functions which we generally use in our application or in any automation work. So that's all for today. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for joining. Have a great day ahead.